One rainy afternoon, Lily was exploring the dusty corners of her attic when she stumbled upon a small, mysterious packet marked Secret Seeds. The seeds inside glowed with a gentle, pulsating light. Curious and excited, Lily decided they were too special to ignore. "I wonder what magical plants these seeds will grow into," she thought, clutching the shimmering packet close to her heart. With a spirit of adventure, she dashed downstairs to the garden, ready to plant her glowing discovery. In her family's garden, Lily found the perfect spot under the old oak tree. She dug little holes with her tiny shovel and carefully dropped each glowing seed into the soft earth. As she covered them with soil, she imagined the garden filled with colors and wonders unknown. "Grow well, little seeds," she whispered. That night, she lay in bed imagining the types of plants that might sprout, her dreams filled with flowers that could light up the night. A week later, Lily saw sprouts pushing through the soil. Each plant was unique. Some had leaves shimmering in shades of silver, while others sported bright neon blooms. Lily was mesmerized. Every day after school, she would rush to the garden to talk to her plants about her day, feeling a mysterious bond growing between them. "You're not like any plants I've seen in books," she told them, her eyes wide with wonder and affection. One sunny afternoon, the silver-leafed plant began to glow softly. "Hello, Lily," it said in a soothing tone. "Do you know how I eat? It's through a magic called photosynthesis." Lily listened intently as the plant explained how it used sunlight to make its food from air and water, creating oxygen as a gift back to the world. "That's amazing," exclaimed Lily. "You help us breathe." Her eyes sparkled with newfound respect for her leafy friends. The next plant to speak was a dazzling neon bloom. "Lily, watch closely," it beckoned. As a bee landed on its petals, the bloom narrated the wonder of pollination. "Bees help us reproduce by moving pollen from one flower to another," it explained. Lily observed in awe as the bee buzzed from flower to flower. "So without bees there would be fewer plants?" she questioned. "Exactly," nodded the bloom. "And fewer plants mean less clean air and less beauty in the world." A few days later, a blue-stemmed grass waved at Lily. "Hey Lily, do you know that we plants also need clean water and healthy soil to thrive?" it asked. The grass explained how polluted water and poor soil could make it hard for plants to grow. Lily thought about how she could help, perhaps by cleaning up trash and using less water. "I can do those things," she proudly declared, determined to be a guardian of her garden and the environment. Inspired by her conversations with the plants, Lily organized a garden cleanup day. She invited her friends and neighbors to help clear litter and learn about taking care of the environment. Everyone gathered around as Lily shared her newfound knowledge from the magical plants. "Every little bit helps," she encouraged as they planted new flowers and cleaned up the area. The community left feeling inspired and connected, all thanks to Lily and her magical garden. As the plants grew, so did their fame. People from around the town came to see Lily's luminous garden. Each visitor left with a better understanding of the importance of plants and their care. Lily gave tours, pointing out each plant and sharing their unique stories and lessons. Children listened eagerly, their faces lighting up with joy and curiosity. It wasn't just a garden, it was a classroom without walls, full of life and learning. One evening, as the sun set over her vibrant garden, Lily sat on a bench, reflecting on her journey. "We've done so much together," she mused. Looking at each glowing plant, she felt a deep sense of pride and responsibility. "But there's still more to do," she thought. "More gardens to grow, more people to teach." With dreams of green spaces filling cities, Lily sketched ideas in her notebook, excited about the endless possibilities. The garden was a riot of colors, each plant vibrant and thriving under Lily's care. As she walked through her garden, she felt a deep connection to the earth and its wonders. This started with just a few glowing seeds, Lily remembered, her heart full of joy. She knew she was just one person, but her actions could inspire others and make a real difference. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.